Asymmetrical breast. If the size of breast is different, so should you worry? So this is the topic of discussion. Hello friends, I am Dr. Ruchika Garg, Associate Professor and a Gynecologist in SN Medical College, Agra. And so many females and young mothers come that their teenager, the size of the breast is different. One is bigger, one is smaller. So I would suggest do not worry, because in due time the other smaller breast will attain its size. In most of the cases this is physiological, this is normal, provided you don't have scoliosis or chest wall deformity or certain medication procedure or surgical procedure has been done on the chest, like chest tube drainage, etc. Otherwise, in normal young teenagers and adolescents, this is normal, because here only the breast fat is reduced and the rest alveoli and the ducts in the breast, which they are already. But if during a routine mammogram, if you find the difference in density of the breast is different, and if the difference is more than 20%, this is one breast is more asymmetrical, then there are maybe chances of cancer. So you need to visit your gynecologist or your cancer surgeon, just in case you have a family history of breast cancer, because breast cancer runs in families, especially from your maternal side. If you have a Masi or a sister who is having breast cancer, then some BRCA gene might be running in your family. You might need to get screened, but don't worry. Familial breast cancers are very too less. And so asymmetrical breast in after 40 years of age, during a mammogram with different, where the density of the breast is different, so you should get further investigated. So as a matter of fact, routinely you should get your self done breast mammography after 45 years of age, after 40 years of age, and breast ultrasound may also be required timely. And the best thing is breast self-examination. Need not worry, I have so many videos on my channel, so keep subscribing, and your comments are awaited, and share with your friends so they don't worry. Bye bye, take care.